aspect, your grades, yes, after the IEs and everything, you have to access your grades on the Sakai. And this is a simple and easy step to achieve this. First of all, you open your browser. I use Chrome. You enter Sakai. See, sakai.ug.edu.gh. The link is in the description if you don't know the site or the link to the site. Okay, click on go. Then you enter your username, which is your ID number, and your pin right here. I already saved my password. It's as simply I don't know what to say. It has been pasted already since I've already saved my password. I have to enter it once again for you to then at the far right corner you click on login. You can't see, but it's right there. You just click on it. If it's the slides you want, you just click on sites. You see, as long as it has been posted already, just click on it on the site. You see that there's your course number right there, Psych 101. Just click here on the drop down arrow. You see lessons, syllabus. If it is the slides you want, just click on resources. Click on resources. You see that all the slides that have been posted to the page will just appear. You see, and when you need it, you just click on it. Just click on it to download. I've already downloaded mine, but for the sake of this interview, I'll download it again. Then I'll open it. Voila, there it is. That's all for today. And one thing, if you also want to access maybe some lessons or assignments, if it's test, just click on test and quizzes. Just click on that. Since I have no assignment or test, it wouldn't appear. If I had, it would be there. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. I've been Kelvin Owens. Bye.